On this video, we're going back to the classics and we're gonna make authentic, and in my opinion, the best buffalo chicken wings. So let's get going. All right, first things first, we're gonna get our chicken wings prepped up. I got the Weber grill heating up, and for a seasoning, I'm going to be using this backyard cayenne, which is a new spice that's out. This is the garlic pepper, which I actually tried yesterday on some steaks, and it was incredible. So I'll have the link to this backyard cayenne down below. And again, this is garlic pepper. Just going to give this a light coating. All right, our Weber's almost up to temp. We're going to let these hang out, let them absorb all that goodness. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, our Weber's nice and hot. Again, I'm not going to be smoking these, but I am going to try to get a little wood flavor in these. Go ahead and toss in a little bit of hickory or whatever wood you like, or no wood at all if you don't want any. We're going to go ahead and let these bake for about an hour or so, or until they're nice and crispy. So while our chicken wings are on the grill cooking, let's go ahead and make our buffalo sauce. I'm going to start out with half a stick of butter, which is half a cup. We're going to add in some Frank's original sauce, and this is not the wing sauce. I'm going to do just a pinch of some cayenne pepper. If you want more heat, by all means add it. A touch of garlic powder, a little white vinegar, and just a splash of some Worcestershire sauce. And that's it. Go ahead and get this all melted up and combined. We're not done yet. Once this all melts and combines, we're gonna let it cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna throw it in a blender, and that's gonna emulsify that butter with the hot sauce. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this chill out for a minute, let it cool down. We'll get it in the blender. All right, since it's a small batch, I got a little mini Ninja. We're gonna go ahead and get our sauce in there. And you can see how it's really not, it's separating, basically. In simple terms, it's just separating. So what we want is to emulsify this. Actually, we need to put our lid on. And that's it. It's nice and emulsified. It's got a beautiful color. That's incredible. It'll actually hold. This will not separate. I got a couple bottles that I made during Super Bowl weekend, and it's still holding up. Go ahead and just transfer this into a temporary holding vessel. We just got to wait till our wings are done. So our wings are all cooked up. Go ahead and get these into a bowl. Take our buffalo sauce that we made, still holding together. Just give this a nice coat. And it's got gorgeous color. I love the color of this. Just give them a toss. There you go. Probably the best buffalo sauce that I've ever made. It's incredible. You can fry the wings, you can bake the wings, you can grill the wings. It doesn't matter what you do to the wings. That sauce is the best. Got a little blue cheese, which is my favorite. Not a big carrots and celery fan, but It's all about the wings. In this case, they're little chicken drumettes, so not necessarily wings, but let's bite in. All right, so they're smoky. You get that grill smell. You definitely can tell that they're grilled. The tanginess from that hot sauce. These are incredible. This is like one of the best meals that I can ever have is chicken wings, buffalo wings. Give me a good cold beer, some wings, and I'm set. Remember, guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.